Welcome to the intro-level learning solution training for OPTUM PM and Physician EMR. By the end of this demo, you'll be able to confidently speak to and show your customers the basic functions and features of this software that accompanies the paperless medical office. You'll also be able to articulate how this educational version of the OPTUM software elevates thinking by providing learners with hands-on practice in this real-world electronic health record system. Here's your stake in the ground. It provides 30 to 40 hours of activities in a real-world electronic health record solution, includes both ICD-9 and ICD-10 codes, and full instructor support with the instructor resources and engagement services. Keep this in mind as I walk through some of the features and activities. The first note in demoing this software is that you need to make sure that you're using Internet Explorer. For usability and compatibility, reference the system requirements on the instructor resources site. Log in using the username and password provided in the front cover of the textbook. When first logging in, you'll be prompted to change your password to something more memorable and ask a security question in case you forget your password. Here's the main screen to the OPTUM PM and Physician EMR software. The first thing you'll want to show your customers is the help documentation. Click on the help icon in the top right-hand corner of the main screen. The help screen will pop open in a pop-up window. At the top of the help screen, click on the Contents button. Access a particular topic by clicking on the corresponding folder on the left-hand navigation bar. For example, to access information on how to book a patient's appointment, click on the Scheduling module, Book Overview, and you'll see on the right-hand part of the screen there's more information on how to book an appointment. There are also recorded training videos for learners who are more visual. To access recorded training videos in the Help feature, at the top of the Help screen, click on the Training button. Click on Learn More under the recorded training. Access a particular topic by scrolling down and selecting the recorded training link next to the topic title. As you can see, these trainings tend to be on the longer side, ranging from 30 to 45 minutes in length, and cover a broad overview of a topic. There are also snippet videos available in the Help feature that are generally 2 to 5 minutes in length and cover very specific topics. These are probably a more practical option for students, as they probably won't take the time to sit through 45 minutes worth of training. To access the snippet videos at the top of the Help screen, click on the Training button and then click on Learn More under the snippet trainings. Access a particular topic by scrolling down and selecting the recorded training link next to the topic title. When showing the training videos, one feature I would mention about the instructor resources is that we've created a mapping guide for these recorded trainings to the content and activities in the textbook. This is helpful for instructors who have learners having difficulty with a specific topic. They can refer them to the training videos for extra help. This is also a great time during the demo to speak to the full instructor support we offer with the OPTUM Paperless Medical Office. Not only are the instructor resources jam-packed with support, but we also have engagement services available with digital course support. The 30 to 40 hours of activities are broken into 3 sections. The first activities are practice management or front office activities. The example I like to show that is easy and instructors are interested in is scheduling an appointment. First step is pulling up a patient. It's easiest to pull up an existing patient that's pre-populated into the software, rather than registering a new patient. However, if customers ask, in addition to pre-existing patients, there are also source documents for students to learn how to enter patient information, and learners are also able to enter their own patients. For a quick demo, I usually pull up the patient Jane Morgan by searching for her by her last name in the box in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Just double-click on her to pull her into context, and you can see here's your patient. Click on the Scheduling module. This opens the book application by default. Choose a date, time, and one of the 4 providers. One thing to note for customers is that this software is in real time and dates currently go out to 2016. For appointment type, you choose an established patient sick, and you can enter a chief complaint such as a fever or the flu. Click the Save button. Now we want to check the patient in. Left-click the name of the patient you want to check in and click the Check-in from the mini menu. The patient status is changed to checked in, and the patient's appointment is highlighted in green in the book screen. Once I've shown these couple of activities, they give the customer a good taste of some of the front office. I move into the clinical or back office portion of the demo. The first function I like to demo to customers is bringing up a patient's chart. To do this, click on the medical record button on the left-hand nav. It'll pop up with the patient's chart. From here, I quickly run down the options on the left-hand navigation bar, such as medications, allergies, and immunizations. The clinical activity that I find easiest to demo for customers is recording vital signs. To do this, click on the Vital Signs tab in the patient's chart summary. The Vital Signs window will display. Click on the Record Vital Signs button in the lower left-hand pane of the screen. Then you need to create a new encounter. Now you're able to enter new vital signs for the patient. Then click the Save button. The Vital Signs window is now updated with the data I entered. One question from instructors that comes up often is saving and how homework is turned in. There are save buttons throughout the software like the one I just used. Also, students submit homework via print to PDF using the print buttons such as the one in the right-hand corner of this screen. If there is no print function available, they're advised to submit a screenshot. The last set of activities are related to billing, collections, and coding. For these activities to work properly, they need to be completed in order, so you don't actually complete one. What I do show customers is the screen where you would complete the coding. Go back to the scheduling screen, left-click on the appointment, and choose the option Visit. This pulls up the visit window and displays the Procedure tab. This is where you would enter your CPT codes. Also at the top is the Diagnosis tab. This is where you can search and enter your ICD-9 or ICD-10 codes. I'm going to search the diagnosis of flu. You can see here it's currently searching ICD-9 codes. However, once in the pop-up search box, you're able to switch to ICD-10 codes. The other feature I like to point out on the screen is that you're able to link out to Encoder Pro, another coding software available from OPTUM. This concludes my demo of the OPTUM PM and Physician EMR. You should now be able to complete the following learning objectives: log into the software, articulate how it elevates thinking, navigate the help function and emphasize its importance, demo the practice management activities, demo a clinical activity, and indicate where billing, collections, and coding activities are completed. Thank you so much for taking the time, and good luck this fall.